Build your system the way you want with Milwaukee PACKOUT, the versatile and durable modular storage system. Milwaukee PACKOUT revolutionises the way you transport, organise and store your tools on the job site. PACKOUT is a multi-footprint system, providing true modularity, allowing you to stack and lock boxes, organisers and totes in any configuration that works for you. The base of the system is the PACKOUT rolling toolbox, featuring 9-inch all-terrain wheels that have been designed to easily roll over a variety of rough job site surfaces. An industrial-grade extension handle supports box loads up to 250 pounds and features a wide handle, giving you a more comfortable grip during transportation. All PACKOUT toolboxes are constructed with impact-resistant polymer, IP65 rated seals to prevent damage from water and job site debris, and metal-reinforced corners. PACKOUT organisers are designed to connect to any of the PACKOUT system components and include removable bins to maximise organisation. These bins can also be mounted to common job site materials with integrated screw slots. These organisers utilise impact-resistant polymer and are IP65 rated to prevent damage from water and job site debris. PACKOUT totes have been designed to attach on top of any PACKOUT storage boxes or organisers, providing optimised storage space to fit accessories, hand tools, or even larger tools like an impact driver or a sawzall. Take these totes off the stack and transport around the job site comfortably with padded shoulder straps. 1680D ballistic material and all-metal hardware maximise the durability of these totes. Total modularity gives you the freedom to customise your PACKOUT system the way you want. Milwaukee PACKOUT, the versatile and durable modular storage system.